In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export contacts in Freshsales. This is a useful feature when you need to keep a copy of a contact record outside the CRM, share details with a teammate, or save an offline backup for reference. Before you begin, make sure you are logged in to your Freshsales account and you are viewing the main dashboard. Start by looking at the left side vertical navigation bar. Find the contacts icon. It looks like a person's silhouette. Click that contacts icon to open the contacts area. This takes you to your contacts list view, where you can browse and search through the records in your CRM. Once you are in the list, locate the specific contact you want to export. Take a moment to confirm you are choosing the correct record, especially if several contacts have similar names. When you are ready, click directly on the name of the contact in the list. This opens the contact detail page, where Freshsales shows the full profile and information for that person. Now that you are on the contacts page, go to the top right corner of the screen. Look for the three-dot icon, sometimes called the More Options menu. Click the three dots to open the drop-down menu. In the list of actions, select Export. After you choose Export, Freshsales will prepare the export file for that contact. The file is not typically downloaded immediately in your browser. Instead, Freshsales sends the download link or exported file to your email. Give it a little time, since delivery speed can depend on system activity. Next, open the email inbox connected to your Freshsales user account and look for the export message. If you do not see it right away, check your spam or junk folder as well. Once you find the message, follow the provided link or instructions to download the exported contact file and save it where you can easily find it later. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.